Hello viewers, welcome back to new video. In this video, I will show how to solve TikTok report a problem not showing problem. Let's see how to get this option. Go to Google Play Store and search TikTok app. Click on TikTok app, update TikTok app and scroll down. Tap on hold TikTok app and click on app info. Tap on storage and cache. Tap on storage. Tap on delete. Now open on TikTok app. Click on profile icon. Tap on three dot menu. Click on setting and privacy. Now report a problem option showing. Thanks for watching. Don't forget like and subscribe.